What's up everybody, it's NaturalBoss. Welcome back to my channel. This video I just want to do a quick, I'm trying to make this video really quick. I know I like to talk a lot, but I want to do a quick update on the rice water and what it's been doing for my hair. And so if you haven't already watched my rice water, I think it's called rice water for faster hair growth video. I filmed this video probably back in February, so it's been about 8 months. And basically I just want to let you guys know what the status of my hair is and what, if I'm still doing the treatments or not, and just pretty much what's up with the rice water. So basically, like I said, I've been doing the rice water treatment since February, so it's been about 8 months, and I don't really have a scheduled time when I do them. I know some people will say they'll do the treatment. Some people do it every week. Some people will do it every other week, once a month, whatever the case may be. I don't have a schedule like that. I like to keep things as simple as possible. I'm a very simplified and / lazy natural, so I like to keep things very simple. Basically, I use the rice water when I feel like my hair needs it. And what I mean by that is if I feel that my hair is really dry, maybe shedding, or just feels like lifeless or limp, then I'll go ahead and do a rice water treatment. It just so happens that I'll say on average that turns out to be maybe every other month or something like that. So like I said, I haven't really been keeping up, but just basically when my hair feels weak or something like that, I'll do a rice water treatment. And like I said in my rice water video, my first video, is when I do the rice water, I make enough of the rice water treatment so that I can do it for 2 weeks in a row. And so I'll make the rice water, let it ferment, and then I'll do one use of it for 1 week, and then the following wash day I'll use it again, and then if I have anything left I'll throw it out, and I'll just wait and make some more for the next time I'm going to do it. So really it turns out I do it it's every other month, but it's twice per month when I do it. So I don't know if that really makes sense or not, but just go ahead, comment, ask questions if you don't really know what I'm talking about. Basically, the things that I've noticed so far with the rice water is that my hair definitely is stronger. It's like way stronger. Like I used to have really bad problem with shedding, and I know some of you probably have watched my excessive hair shedding video. If you haven't, I highly recommend you check that video out as well. I only did the tea rinses a couple times because it pretty much did the trick what I wanted to, but as a result of that, my hair, even though it stopped shedding, my hair was still kind of like damaged after that. And so it would be dry a lot and shed and all that kind of stuff. And so since I've been doing the rice water treatments, I hardly have any shedding. My hair just feels stronger, and it feels like the conditioners that I use like work even better after I do a rice water treatment. I don't know what it is. And so basically what I know most of you probably want to know is, have I seen any growth since doing the rice water treatment? And the answer to that is absolutely yes. I have seen growth. I've actually seen like crazy growth since the rice water treatment. Anytime your hair, when you start taking better care of your hair and it's healthier, just automatically you're going to have more growth. And I don't know if it makes my hair so much grow faster out of my scalp. I actually don't believe it does that. But when you have way less shedding, your hair is just healthier, you'll retain all the length that you grow. I think my hair grows average or even a little more faster than average, and so I'm able to retain the length. And so I don't remember if I said it in my first rice water video what my starting length was. I'm not the type that's obsessed with length. I don't get a ruler out and measure how many inches my hair is or anything like that. I've never done that since I've been natural ever. But I can just tell when I can tell when my hair is healthier, and I can also just tell when it's grown. I don't pay that much attention to it like every day. I'm not like going like this and doing a length check or anything like that. But when I did start, I know for a fact that my hair was bra strap length, and my hair has been waist length previously with all the damage, with all the shedding and all that, the color and all that. I trimmed it a lot fell out. It was way shorter, and then I was able to grow it back to bra strap length. But since I've been using the rice water, I will say my hair is now waist length and maybe a little past. And when I'm doing a length check on my hair, I do not straighten my hair. Well, I won't say I never will, but I'm not type, I don't blow dry my hair. And I definitely don't get it flat iron or anything like that. So when I am measuring my hair, I'm just like literally trying to stretch it as much as I can, and just seeing how long it is there. And it is waist length, and I'm gonna do some still pictures at the end of this video so you can see that I'm not lying. And I'm not putting my head back trying to make it as long as possible. It really is. My hair probably is time for a trim, maybe maybe an inch or something like that, but still I think it's still real close to waist length. So bottom line is, the rice water treatments are so inexpensive. It's easy to make. It's just something that I really recommend, especially if you have damaged hair, if your hair is shedding, if your hair feels limp, if your hair is weak, if you have color treated hair, or just if you just want to, you already have healthy hair and you just want to keep it healthy. I mean, I just can't recommend it enough. You don't have to be on a set schedule. Just do it when you feel like your hair needs it, or you can make a set schedule if you want. It really doesn't matter. You can kind of tailor it to how you want. If you just want to use 1 cup rice, 1 cup water, 1 cup rice, 2 cups water. I mean, it's just so easy, and it's so there's so much versatility in it and how you want to do it. Some people do it before they shampoo and condition their hair. Some people do it, they actually rinse their hair with the rice water as if it's shampoo. I mean, it's all kinds of ways. The way I do it is I shampoo my hair first, then I spray the rice water, and then I condition my hair. But you can do it however you want, and your results probably will still be good. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the rice water. I know probably a lot of people, I got a lot of questions and a lot of comments on this video. I will be making a Q&A video as well. I didn't want to make this one too long with all the questions and everything, but I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know, yes, I do still use the rice water treatments, and it's done like amazing things for my hair, and I just really highly recommend it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below. Like I said, I'm going to make a Q&A video. You have any comments, if you use rice water, or if you have some kind of special recipe with the rice water, you know, how you make it, or how you apply it to your hair or something, just comment and let me know. But anyway, I will see you in the next video.